celebration of life, including the pleasures. Better with every hour or second with my endeavors. Spitting it from the heart, never will I depart from the true self, cause I finish it from the start of divinity. My trilogy's beginning just by killing beasts. Trinity is guaranteed to one that has the inner peace. Evil will soon see defeat. Balance is a major key. Spreading love and joy in this darker era's a major feat. Cause they paid to be the villain just subliminally. Look at the beach, oil spreading, letting it fashion, killing the seas, letting it be a crime against our mother nature. Lesson to read between the lines and grow like an acacia. Soul for the haters, deuces, I see you later. One that holds the good deuces, inducing the snake fakers. I'll be the one that fell in time, poisonous with felon rhyme. So commencing verbal restrictions, spitting with gel in mind. Keep it flowing and glowing, open your mind up. No more pimping and hoeing, homie, your time's up. I'm just living life, striving just to keep it right. Moving towards the end of the tunnel, cause I can see the light.